Monopoly Deal, No Mercy, How to Play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly Deal, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. During setup, each player picks a color and takes 3 debt chips. Whenever you owe another player money and cannot pay the full amount with your bank or properties, then you go into debt. Give them as much as you can, then give them one of your debt chips, regardless of how much debt is remaining, and that player keeps it in front of them. You may be in debt to more than one player at a time, and a player may have more than one of your debt chips in front of them. If ever you go into debt but do not have any more of your own debt chips in front of you, then do nothing. You may not choose to go into debt when you have money or properties to pay. On your turn, after drawing your 2 cards, but before playing any, if you are in debt to any other players, then you must settle the debt by choosing any one card from your hand, regardless of value, and give it to the other player who has one of your debt chips. That player then must play the card as if it was their turn. They do not put it into their hand. After they complete the action, you take one of your debt chips from in front of them back. This counts as one of your actions for your turn. Repeat this process of settling debt until all your chips are returned to you. It is possible to use all 3 actions for the turn settling debt. If you run out of cards before you can settle all the debt, then end your turn. You may not use a Just Say No card to avoid going into debt while paying another player, but you may use it against a forced debt card. The action cards have been made ruthless. The new action cards are Shack. This plays on any property to increase its rent. Shacks move with properties when paying other players. When paying another player with a shack, it goes to their bank. Each property and property set may only contain a max of 1 shack. You may not move a shack from one of your properties to another. A shack that is a part of a set must transfer to another player who plays repossession. Double rent. Same as a rent card, but doubled. If the property has a shack, add the value of the shack to the total before doubling it. Super Sly Deal. Pick a property color that at least one other player has. Steal all properties of that color, even complete sets, from each player's collection, not from their hand. Wild cards with the chosen color are taken even if they aren't oriented to that color. Every color wild property cards are also stolen. Tough Luck. Choose a player and steal all property, or action, or money cards from their hand, forcing them to give them to you, putting them in your hand. They do not give you cards from their bank or property collection. If they don't have any of the requested type, then they give you nothing.